high conditions and a warming trend are in store Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures near to slightly below normal. These are the noon observations for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, it was cloudy. Temperature was 61 degrees, dew point 3, and the relative humidity 10%. Wind was northeast at 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.28 inches and falling. In Ontario, light rain was falling. Temperature was 57 degrees, dew point 7, and the relative humidity. Beach. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 62 at Long Beach, 59 at Burbank, 61 at John Wayne Airport, and 64 at Fullerton. In San Diego, it was cloudy. Temperature was 64 degrees. For the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains, at the Big Bear City Airport, it was partly sunny. Temperature was 45 degrees, dew point -4, and the relative humidity 13%. Wind was